In this video, we take off the back bumper. So the reason why I'm taking the back bumper off is because this is the reason why. If we go over here, take a paddling pool, and I've taken off this side trim to find, obviously there's these two vents and it's coming in from this side as well, so we're going to be resealing these. So for starters, I'm going to take off this side trim here, so then we'll be able to see what is going on behind it. Right, so that's all the screws out. Now we just need to take off this, and I'm going to take off this seal just up to there, and then hopefully then there we are. Where's that bit? Okay, right, that's that out. There is a bulb as well, so be wary of that. Well, that's a recipe for disaster. That should be on there like that, as with the other Rover. Don't know where that's come from. Yeah, this is probably the worst side. This is really bad. Definitely. In the meantime, I'm just going to fit these bolts that should be on here. Honest to God, I don't know why that wasn't on. Right, I had to cut there because my phone decided to do something very stupid. But anyway, there's these two bolts that you have to take out. There's one on either side. One there as well. So I've taken these out. They're 13mm, and that's a bolt there. So yeah. Now it's time to take the wheel off. Oh, and it's a good idea to put a microfiber when you're jacking on the sill, just so you don't scratch the paint or rub it off, because that's how rust happens. And I have put an axle stand underneath as well for extra security, obviously. Ooh, look at that. Nice and clean. Well, cleanish. Now I'm just going to take the mud flap off. There's one underneath as well. then there's a 10mm bolt just behind here, just up there. So we'll take that out now. And there we go. It's another bolt out. Right, let's do the other side now. We are. Right. Right, let's take this cover off. This one's slightly different because the fuel line is on this side. So I thought I'd record it because it is slightly different. Luckily this one comes off a lot easier. So for the bolt, that's 8mm at the top up there as well. Yeah. That's still hooked on because there's a bolt underneath as well, or a screw. But there is another 10mm bolt holding in the bumper on this side as well. Oh yeah. Side's now loose. Lovely. And as you can see, there's another bolt just where the tow hook is as well. So hopefully now this should just come off. Do some clicks on the side. There we are. It's off. So these are the culprits to why it's leaking. So because they are rivets, I'm gonna have to obviously drill them out, but we'll leave that for another video I think, because I think this one will be long enough. So thanks for watching, I guess. It wasn't really an amazing video, but it's progress somewhere, innit? But yeah,